What is the secret to happiness? Well, there's really no secret. We recognize it in other people, and we feel it in our own mind and body, and still most people believe it's hard to find. I'm Pat Pearson, and I believe happiness is more important than we recognize. So I'm delighted to present the Happiness Habit Workshop at the 2022 National Guild of Hypnotists Live Convention. First, we'll explore what helps or hinders happiness, illustrated with some client examples. Then I'll demonstrate inner mind communication, the emotional messenger, and happiness homework that'll help your client establish their own happiness habit. And then you can try out the handouts and scripts that are available as soon as you get home. So I'll see you on Saturday afternoon at the Happiness Habit Workshop. Thanks for joining me. Pat Pearson.